Now, this is Divine Lunga, and then this is Umurena. Umurena is playing as a right winger. Remember what I said? The left winger becomes a half 10. And this is Usales, this is Ipola Lipumela, but they take it from here. And now, how alert are we? I'll tell you why this was a great save. If the ball does not go for a corner kick, if let's say Pola Lizala, you have a Sundowns player here. Danger here. There is no danger here, Mpanagiti. There is no danger here. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Esperance 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Great results for a Sundowns. For me, the important thing was Sundowns to get a goal. Even if badly, but the goal is very important. Away goal rules, right? Sundowns played Usales on the left-hand side. I'm actually surprised with right? And then the goal is Sundowns, right? It's nothing new, right? Everything that's I'm a goal with Sundowns that will happen, or I'm a goal from now. They're not new. It's scripted plays, it's scripted movements. If you don't believe me, after this video, just search Morena assist against Imagis. So it is similar, right? Most of my goal with Sundowns, it's something that they've done before. Even they missed the first chance in the second half. The striker Ulion, something that they've done before. Now I'm going to show the most important thing in today's video, guys. I'm going to show you why teams fail to break down high line Sundowns. Now let's start. Right, it was a throw-in here Sundowns, so it was their normal formation, normal formation. But what they did here, I even saw Ichis doing this as well. Having 3 at the back now. This is the right back Umutau, but in this instance Ula. Then the left back, which is Ulunga, he will push forward. He will push over here. Now Umukwena is gonna drop in here. Now, the most important thing in scripted plays or in patterns, in patterns, right? Everyone needs to be in a certain position for that scripted movement or scripted play to work. The left center back, he's in the wrong spot because you are closing up here. If this guy comes here, you are closing up here. I'm going to show you another clip, but not in this one. Now, he needs to open. He needs to be here. You open up his space here for who? This is a double pivot. They had 2 6s and they had 2 half 10s. You had Ualende playing as a half 10, and then Usales. Usales will start on as the winger and then will drop in as a half 10, so that Ulunga, Divine Lunga, pushes up on that side. Mukwena drops in here. You see, if he is here, he's closing down his space for Adams. He should be here. He should be here, so that this guy can move slightly here, so that Adams can be free. And it sharp. We play the ball there. It's Pumil. And it. Where is Usales? Usales is here. Now Mr. Miyagi. There is Ulunga here. And it. Then on the right hand side as a winger, you have Umure. And if it's not open, if we can't play, it's easy for us to play a long ball because they are going to push. They are going to try and press us. If they try and press us, we have a good keeper. We play it long, we keep the ball. Now, this is Divine Lunga, and then this is Umure. Umure is playing as a right winger. Remember what I said, the left winger becomes a half 10. And this is Usales, this is Mr. Miyagi playing as a half 10. Now you push. And there's no winger on the left hand side. The left back must always push. Umurena there. Sharp. You keep the ball. Pumile, we keep the ball. Now, how Sundowns scored the goal, you could see it was a game plan. Even, I'm going to show you now, it started from the first 2-3 minutes, it was a game plan. Look at Umuren, Uphakamisa izandla, useklasini. He wants the ball here. But the ball balphasa kuphi? Balphasa kuye, right? You could see from the onset, that was their game plan. It's just that it wasn't a good pass. It's still gonna come back. Keep the ball. There's no team that will stop Sundowns when they keep the ball. It's very difficult to stop a team that has half 10s. Now watch again. Pass was poor, but you can see from the beginning of the match, that's how they wanted to score a goal. Scripted plays. Now I'm going to show you why, when we do scripted plays, it needs to be almost perfect in terms of positioning. If everyone is positioned correctly, then it's going to be easy for us to move the ball. Remember, the other team doesn't know they don't know what we want to do. Now, you look at the left center back. He's not positioning he's not in the right position. He should be here, not here. Remember what you want to do as this guy. You want to pull whoever's coming to pick you up. You want to pull them away. Remember, we want to penetrate in the middle. Now watch Usales. Let me take it back. I want you to watch Usales. Watch Usales tell Umukwena to drop here. He needs to drop here, and then he needs to become a half 10. It needs to become a half 10, and then you have to have Ulunga pulling the right back. Now watch. This guy doesn't know what to do. He stops. Now Usales needs to push a little bit, but Ulunga on this side, he needs to pull the right back. Because we didn't do it properly, that's how we lose the ball. That's why this thing, you have to position yourself almost in perfect zones. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships, people who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. It's only 15 rand, or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know Buffet times are tough. We live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join. Please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. At this level of a competition, you need to be alert to everything, because one mistake, they can score a goal and then siyapuma ku tournament. Now let me show you something that I saw. Two quick throw-ins. First one, Sundowns, right? I want you to see, yes, they are not in the same positions, but I want you to see how alert you should be. Quick throw-in. This guy is alert. Now let me show you what happened to Sundowns. Nakia. Good defending. Ipola liphuma la. Watch where ipola liphuma kuphi. Ipola liphume la, but they take it from here. Now, how alert are we? Fortunately for Sundowns, they don't score. But let me take it back, Kangan. Let me take it back and show you. You have to be alert. Ne? Yes, iSundowns idlala high line. Angithi. Sundowns idlala high line. Now, this badlali high line. Angithi. Sharp, there's nothing wrong with that. But as soon as the ball goes out, these two, we have to be behind the striker. If they play the ball back, then we push. Young tall. If they start the throw in, they get the ball now. There's no offside in a throw in. As soon as the ball puma, we have to be alert. These two, we need to be behind the striker. If they play the ball back, then we can push. But they don't push. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm being too harsh. Maybe it's a free kick, but you have to be strong defending. How did Sundowns defend? I'm not a big fan yaga Grant Kekana, but played very well. Even though he got a red card, later, right? Even though he got a red card, he played very well. You must give credit where it's due, guys. Even if someone you are not a big fan, but you must just give credit. Ball behind the defenders. What a pass. Good cover. If you're a right center back, you must cover your left center back. Vice versa. If you polarize the left center back must cover the right center back. I don't think Ulunga played well, but I'm not getting him team because hey, yeah, always cover your teammates, Buffett. This was good defending. Oh, great tackle. Sundowns defended very well in the first half. Why am I saying Sundowns defended very well in the first half? They defended very well in the game. But this was the tackle of the game. This was brilliant. Ulunga. Another great pass. Good defending. This should take him to the World Cup. This game should take him to the World Cup. But Hugo Bros akathanda abantu ababhizi kuma Instagram. I think that's why Hugo angambizi, because boy is always posting. Sundowns defended very well in the last clip, right? Now, it was a corner kick. How Sundowns defends a corner kick, I don't like it because you have a lot of players. So, Magui corner kick, everyone, where Sundowns comes back into the box. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. But now, what's wrong for me is having one person, even this person is not man marking. These two are free. These three are free. This one always is zonal marking la. Then the rest is zonal marking. It has to be 50-50. Half zonal, abanye, half man marking. Because when you, let me play it. Great save by the keeper. Now, physics, science will tell you guys, Uguti, when someone is making a run, there's an angle, yala. Izonibonisa kahle lento engishoyo. Physics, science bafethu. Now, when someone makes, if ibhola liza straight la, this guy, because of his running, he is going to jump higher than you, whether you like it or not, because when you are in a standing zone, this guy is coming. That's why you need to have laba bayenzi zonal, then abanye bayenzi man marking, so that they can block these guys. They don't make a run, they don't make a charge. But if everyone is doing zonal, these guys are going to jump higher back. They are going to jump higher because based on a momentum, then they jump. It's easy. Physics. Second half, guys. Second half, Sundowns started the game very well. Ball rotation from the left. Melilio Tinta La Paya Magu touchdown. You must come back. Ball rotation. Now, I'm going to show you later on in the video. why a lot of teams can't break the high line Sundowns. But let's start over here, over Iso. Now, if Sundowns plays the ball, there is no team that can stop them if they keep the ball. This is not a fluke. This is not a fluke. This pass from the keeper, Rowan Williams, to Umuren, it's not a fluke. Go and watch a clip in the Sundowns second goal, right? Almost similar, just that I don't have that footage. Almost similar, where Rowan played the pass to Umuren, right? Sharp. The second goal against EMC Alger, Elaga Leon, was crossed by the left back. The left back was Umudiba. Now watch. Bah! Could have done better with the shot. Mara, this was a great save. I'll tell you why this was a great save. If the ball does not go for a corner kick, if let's say Polaliza la, you have a Sundowns player here. This was a great save. That was a great move. Right? Go and look at the second goal against MC Alger, former team Yaga Rulan. Go and see that goal. Here comes the goal. Here comes the goal. In the video that I did, what Sundowns should look out for against Esperance, I did say they are not good pressers of the ball. They are not good pressers of the ball. If Sundowns keeps on playing the ball from the back, bazokhala. Sundowns needs to score at least 2 goals in the second game, then they're going to the final. Keep the ball, rotate the ball. It needs to touch someone who touch line. The space is sizovuleka. Great pass. Phakathi inside. Go and look at go to YouTube after this video. Type in assist Yagamren. This was a great pass, guys. Oh, beautiful pass. Beautiful finish. Don't forget, after this video, first you must subscribe. After this video, go and watch. Type in assist Yagamren. Let's talk about the 2 big decisions. For me, both of them, they were correct. But let's scale Yaga Williams, right? Yes, it was a foul, but decision making for me now. Why Puma? There's no danger here. Mfanagiti. There's no danger here. Yes, gune VAR. We are lucky we have a VAR, but just the decision making Muguti. Why Puma? Because there's no danger lapaya. Usale Zuzo Jamba will compete with that guy. We don't know what's gonna happen after that, but we have to defend. I understand why Apumile is to relieve the pressure. Because if Polali Pezulu as a keeper, we are Puma, we are Bamba, and you relieve the pressure. But for me, there was no need. I see this thing on Panagit. The red card. Ne? If Polali Sundowns, keeper has the ball, then keep it on a punch for a throw in. Now, quick throw in, we are slipping. Boo, Ekanda. To me, it doesn't matter what is the red card or a yellow card. Abanye bazoti red, abanye bazoti no. But for me, it's the decision that you took as a player. Uguti, when you decide to put your foot up there. You deciding, there's no need in Mfanagiti there. There's no need there. There's no need. You could have jumped naye, or we are miyagela alihete, and when you recover the ball. Right? And it's your head. When you just recover the ball, or you shielder, you put your body in front of him. There's no need in Mfanagiti. For me, you played well the whole game. until this decision here. Put your body in front, or go and hit the ball now. Why ufake inyawo mfana ngithi? Abesingekho isidingo, even though you played well. The highline here Sundowns, right? I could have shown you a lot of clips, but I'm just gonna show you three clips that happened after 90 minutes at a time. Now, the biggest problem with most teams, when the ball is here, they want to play the ball in the middle. No, the ball needs to be played wide here. So the person that is here needs to cross the ball, because these guys here, they'll always be caught offside. You need a very good run, and then you need a very good pass. Remember, Sundowns, they are down to 10 men. So what you need to do is always play the ball to Emasaidini first, then you play it in. Let me show you. Nakia, ball on the left goes to the right. There is space here. That's where you should pass the ball. Right? This guy doesn't pass the man. Yeah? Play the man here. There is space there. Then this guy here, he is the one that needs to cross the ball to the people in the middle. He doesn't. Look what he does. Wele move. Wele move. Then this guy plays the ball. It's too late now. It's too late. Remember, the space is there. Foot by a shoulder. One last clip. Now, this guy will pass the ball there. Guys, if you are going to make this pass, it has to be a perfect run and a perfect pass. Yeah? You have keep the ball, rotate the ball. But they decide to pass. It's a very difficult thing to do. So what these teams fail to do against Sundowns, they want to play the ball first time in the middle. No, the ball needs to go to the left hand side, then basically by cross. Right? That's why they fail to beat the highlight. But don't fail to subscribe. Don't fail to join. Become a member. Thank you to everyone who is a member. Thank you one who has joined Couch Coach community. Thank you for watching. Even though you haven't subscribed, nyabonga nawe. Thank you for watching.